Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Snapchat notification not working. So let's get started. So as a first step to fix that problem, we need to make sure that the app is updated by go in Play Store, then type down Snapchat from the search bar. So here we have open, which means that the app is updated. But if you have updates, then you have to update the app. The next step is to verify whether notifications are turned on by tap on your profile picture top left, then tap on settings top right. And from account choose notification. Here notifications are disabled, so select this option to enable notifications and simply turn it on. Then enable all notifications you want to receive from this list. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.